Hello, everyone. Sami Zekr from creativetrading.system.com. Making this video about the trades taken yesterday and today, Monday and Tuesday. Right? So no trade on Tuesday today, but a few trades yesterday on Monday. So let's get started. This is the first one is the goal, right? From here to here. This is the entry, and this I placed this heads up on my Telegram as well. The second one is US 30. You can see it's from 20-minute chart, 40-minute chart, actually, this one. Higher time frame. Usually I don't do it, but this was by mistake, actually. Instead of the 20-minute chart, I had this, my EA robot placed on the 40-minute chart. So this one took it from here, and then after wobbling, and then it went up to this. So that happened, right? So it doesn't matter. You can take the entries from 40 sometimes, they're good. But the only reason that I don't take entries from 40 is the SL. According to my rule, the SL would be like around 40, 50 pip, right? With the 20-minute entry, SL is hard. SL always 25 pip. And with the 7-minute entry, 7-minute chart entry is only 15 pip. That's what I like to have, right? If I lose very minimum. And then if I make, I make like this, right? So this is a 7-minute chart, and this is this straight pound yen yesterday as well, right? And it was taken by the EA, the 7-minute EA, the new one, the sniper, right? So it is for 90 pips. So this is what I'm talking about. When your entry is good, it goes the distance, right? So this one, and then USD yen for 95 pip. This is from 20-minute chart. So look the small distance, but more pippage, right? Because it's a bigger chart, 20-minute chart. This is also from the CTS5 EA, taken by the EA, right? Both EAs are working fine, beautiful. And the thing is that I have this one-on-one coaching over the Zoom, right? The course. And if anybody sign up right now for that one-on-one, you get these both of these EAs for free, right? And they open the trades for you, place the stop loss for you, take profit for you automatically, whatever you set. Okay, so these are the EA at work. You can see how beautifully they're working. And then this euro yen, this was also, see this small arrow here? That's the green arrow. That's what it is. That's the EA is taking this entry. And this is for 70 pip buy orders, right there. Everything is by the book. The setup, and then EA, when it is identified, the setup is there. All the conditions are there, and automatically open the trade, right? So these are 5 trades, gold, and these a few yen pairs, and that's it. Today, Tuesday, market just didn't move at all. Went up, down. I had a gold entry again, but it came back and hit my asset at break even. Another entry I had from 7-minute chart for pound Aussie. Pound was getting strong, so it gave me a nice, decent entry. I was expecting that, but I held it, and price came back and hit my asset at break even also. So today, 0 trades. Now, another very important thing that I want to mention in this video, and I'm going to keep mentioning in every video because this moron is, defrauding under my name. This is the Telegram channel. You can see here what this nonsense is going on. And I tried to, I tried my best to stop it, but this guy, whoever it is just not stopping, and the Telegram people are not doing anything. He is using my YouTube name, My First Magic Wave, even my picture. But be aware that this is not my Telegram channel. Don't give him any money. He's asking for money. All right, so you see this, and then keep your investment coming buddies and this and that, right? So he's asking money from people, and I don't know who's this guy and how he. I can see I want to invest 1,000 now, but this all this garbage going on for months and months now, but over the year, I mean, I don't know how many people he defrauded. But like I said, that the only Telegram channel that I have is under the name of my company. My website is Creative Trading System. That's the only Telegram channel I have. The name of my Telegram channel is Creative Trading System, and it is not even public. It is only for my paid subscribers, right? The lifetime members or one-on-one or monthly subscribers and all of that, or whoever bought the EAs, right? Only those get access to that channel, and it is private. You can't find it. You cannot join it. Okay, so please be aware and do not give this guy any money whatsoever. Unfortunately, he is somehow able to use my picture as well from my YouTube channel. Okay, this is me, yeah. And this is my name, but this channel is not me. It is a fraud going on under my name. And there are a couple of other channels as well. But like I said, the only channel I have is under this name. So you know that the Sam's channel is Creative Trading System. That's it. Do not give him any money. All right. So this is it for now, and I'll let you know what happened tomorrow. Today was only Canada red news and nothing moved, right? So, but I'm hoping tomorrow things will move and we will be able to make some good trades as well tomorrow. So bye for now till then, and have a very, very wonderful, profitable trading day.